Welcome back to Savvy Serena. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the toe marks from your sandals. So all you need is a damp microfiber cloth. You want to wring it out till there's no more water in it. And then you want to take it and brush it back and forth and up and down, circular or whatever, until you get rid of your toe marks in your sandals. These are Clark's brand. I bought these. It's the Clark's collection. I'm going to do the heel part too because it's pretty bad shape. But I bought these, I don't know, 2 or 3 years ago. And I haven't found another pair this comfortable. I can wear these for a long period of time. And you want to just keep rubbing until you get no more toe marks. This one's not quite as bad. And then I'm going to work on the heel part too in the same way. I'm just going to wipe it and get all that cleaned up. I still see toe marks. Okay, I'm not quite getting it. As you can see, it's like a faded, I don't know if that's coming up on camera or not, but it's like a faded toe mark. We're going to try something else. I have alcohol in a spray bottle. I have another microfiber rag. I'm just going to use the corner of it. Excuse me. And I'm going to spray the rag with rubbing alcohol. You don't want to spray it on the shoe itself because it could ruin the leather on your shoe. See if that don't pull up the rest of it. See my rag? It's getting black. That's working a little bit better. But you want to keep working at it till you get it up. Once you get where it's good enough for you, take some of that alcohol and just wipe this back here. And then you want to take the dry part of the rag, I'm using the other side, and you want to buff it and get the mat all fluffed up again. And then you're going to put them out in the sun and let them dry. And then they'll be like brand new. Now for my leather, all I do is I take a damp microfiber rag and I just kind of wipe it across it. Just to freshen it back up. Get it looking white again. Just where it's been sitting. See, compared to that one, that looks a whole lot better. And now I'm going to go stick them in the sun. Once they dry, I'll show you what they look like. That's how they turned out. You can't even see at all where the feet prints were at all whatsoever. They came completely clean. I am very impressed. So this is a great tip if you want to clean your sandals. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Y'all come back now. You hear?